Hey guys, Tony, good morning. Quick update before pre-market. Robinhood actually just completely shut everything down and rallied up to 54 bucks, which kind of gives me a little bit of a bad impression because it does seem to be moving high pretty fast. And I don't want to sell because I definitely want to sell calls as soon as the option opens, but you know, the volume just keeps going up and up and up. So you know, if this thing sells off, I can definitely, I would be completely okay with it dropping back to like 33 bucks so I can pick up more. But it's just running. It just keeps running. I think eventually it is gonna have a sell-off. Might come back to like 43, 44. That might be a solid point to come back and buy some shares. But as of right now, I did see 54 bucks right now at pre-market, and I think it's just going to keep running. I saw on the hour that it was turning bearish. I don't think you'll have a sell-off. If anything, you'll have a drop down of like 46 before another push to the upside. But I think for the most part, I think Robinhood, if it keeps running like this, we might actually see $60 by the end of this week, which is pretty insane. But yeah, just a quick update. Holding 100 shares, up 1,500 bucks. As soon as options open, I will be selling calls. Maybe weeklies, maybe monthlies, maybe the longest dated ones, like a year, 2-3 years out. I might sell calls because I want to lock in these 100 shares and I want to pick up some money. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, Robinhood hits 54 bucks pre-market. We'll see how today and the rest of this week goes, man. I'll see you guys later.